Hello, hi. In this video, I'm going to use some random company's payroll data, where from this data, I'm going to find out in which year and month an employee got hired up. So I'm going to use year function and month function. So over here, I'm going to create a column called year of hire and month of hire. So I'm going to use the same format. Over here, okay, fine. Over here, I'm going to use a function, and I'm going to click on date of hire column and click on G2, close the parentheses, and you're going to get only the year. Here it goes. So over here, Sarah got hired in the year of 1986. So she got hired in 1986. What about others? So for that, I'm going to double click on the square part. I'm not going to type an individual cells. I'm just going to double click over here so that I'm going to get other listings also. The other values. So here it goes. Right, we got the year of hire. Now we are going to get the month of hire. So here we're going to click month, and then click on G2, close the parentheses, hit on enter. Over here we can see that we got an numeric format, but we want in a text format, which means December month. We have to get the value as December, not in an integer format. So to get the value in a text format, we're going to use text function. Click on G2 and then give your format type. So I want the full month name. So I'm going to give it 4 M's. Close the parentheses and hit enter. Now see, we got December. So Sarah got hired in the year of 1986 and in the month of December. So I'm going to click on the square part, double click on the square part. So I'm going to get other months also. So this is how we're going to use year function, month function, as well as text function. So over here, the text function, we're going to select the cell, which is G2, which is the column of date of hire, and then we're going to give the format type. So I want the whole month name. So I'm going to give 4 M's. So this is how we use the text function. So thank you for watching. See ya.